I'm going to show you how you can promote Digistore24 products on Pinterest just like the professionals are doing it, so you can earn some extra money online. Not only am I going to show you the steps needed, I'm also going to give you some bonus tips inside the video, so make sure you pay attention, take notes if you need to, and we'll jump into the video. Okay, so before we go to our traffic source, which is going to be Pinterest, we need to go ahead and find a product that we can promote on Digistore24. Now, I'm assuming that most of you that watch this video already know what Digistore24 is, but for those that don't, I'm going to quickly explain within 15 seconds. So basically, you can create a free account on Digistore24, and you can promote different products inside of the website, and you can promote them as an affiliate, which means when you make a sale, you're going to earn a commission. So it's kind of like being a salesman for a product. So this product here is a meal plan which is based around keto, and if you promote it and someone buys after clicking on your link, you're going to earn $22.98 as kind of like a thank you, as a commission for making that sale. And there are 712 products on Digistore24 that you can promote as of right now. And you can choose one which fits your niche and what you're interested in. And I'm going to show you how you can do all of that with Pinterest in a second. So first, once you've created your account on Digistore24, you first need to find a product. Now, the ones that work best on Pinterest are going to be kind of like the weight loss and fitness niche. You can see my Pinterest here is full of weight loss tips. You've also got here make money. Make money and like online hustles are always going to be a profitable niche. So if you want to enter that one, it's going to be profitable, but it might be a little bit oversaturated. But you can go into that. That is a good one to make money. Now for the video, I'm going to use this one as an example, which is the ultimate keto meal plan, because it just happens to be perfect for Pinterest. Pinterest has a lot of users in the female demographic in their mid-20s to 30s. And this product here happens to target that audience, which is females who are looking to lose weight, generally in their mid-20s to 30s. So we're going to promote this product on Pinterest and start to make some money. And every time we make a sale, we're going to earn around $23. So here's what we need to do. So first we can click here, and that's going to copy our link to the clipboard. You can see copy to the clipboard, it says up here. And this is going to be our unique affiliate link to this product here, which happens to be a keto meal plan. Now what we need to do is go ahead and start promoting this on Pinterest. Now what we can't do is just go ahead and spam our links out left, right, and center, because no one's just going to click on a random link. You need to give them a reason. And on Pinterest, if we just head over here, you can see a lot of these Pinterest pins, which are really popular, have quite nice and well-designed like graphics. And I'm going to show you how you can create those graphics for your product for free online without downloading anything. So first we're going to go to Google, and we're just going to do a Google search for Canva. And it should be the first one here, www.canva.com. You can sign up for a free account on Canva. And once you're here inside of the Canva interface, you can just search here for Pinterest, and it should load. You're looking here for a Pinterest pin, so go ahead and click on that. And now you can choose from a bunch of different templates. So once it loads here, you can see all of these templates you can choose. So if we just scroll down and we change to free, we should have a bunch of free templates that we can use. So you can see there are 3,900 templates, and more get added all the time. I'm just going to go ahead and scroll down, and we'll choose this one, because you can customize everything inside of the Canva template. You can customize the text, the font, the colors, the images, and this is a perfect template for us to use. So what I'm going to do is I'm first going to replace this picture. I'm going to replace this picture of kind of like keto meals. So if we go to a website here called pexels.com, and you may be familiar with this already, and then you type in keto and click enter, you're then going to have keto meals or photos, if you just go to the photos section, that you can use royalty free without crediting anyone. So we're going to go ahead and scroll down and find a graphic which is perfect for our template. So let's just find one here. We'll go ahead and grab this because it's got keto in it. It's a nice vibrant graphic which is going to catch people's attention. So we'll download this, and that will download to the computer. And then what we can do is go back to Canva, and what you want to do is just drag it in, and you can drag it in from your downloads folder, and you can see it will then upload in a second. So now that's uploaded, we're going to drag this onto the image, and you can see it kind of snaps in place. So this is very easy to use. Anyone can use Canva. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to change the text. So to change the text, you can just double click on it, but I'm going to change it to, well, I'm first going to go ahead and check out this product here. So I'm just going to copy my link and then go to it, and we're going to see what kind of wording is being used on the actual product itself. So the landing page is actually a video where people can watch it, and then they're going to be sold a meal plan. So I'm going to write here something like the best keto diet to lose weight and keep it off. And we're going to highlight this, and now we can change the text color, we can change the font and so on. So I'm going to change the font to this one here, which I regularly use, which is big and bold. We're going to delete this one at the top. So if you just click on the text box at the top and click delete, that will delete. And I'm also going to scale this down a little bit and then center it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this, and I'm going to make this, I'm going to underline this to lose weight and keep it off. Now we're pretty much done. We can just click on the background color, and I'm going to change that to a nice bright color. We'll change it to green. I think green is going to work good. Yeah, so we'll change it to this green. So now I've got that pin. I can now go to share, and I can go to download, and I can then download this as a PNG, and you can see it's downloading. And once it's downloaded, it will be in our download section here. So here it is. Now we can head to Pinterest, and now we can start to promote this product. So if you go ahead and go to Pinterest, you're going to need to create an account on Pinterest. So here's my account. It's just an account I created for this tutorial. You can see I've got one pin on here already, but you will create like a keto based account if you're promoting this keto product. So what you would do is you would go home, and then you will go ahead and click on your account in the top right hand corner, then click on the plus icon and then pin. Now you can go ahead and click here, and that will open up your file explorer, and you can now go ahead and find, if you go into your downloads, you'll find your Canva image that you've just made here. So the best keto diet to lose weight and keep it off. I'm also going to put this in the title. Okay, so now I've done that, we can now tell everyone what our pin is about, and this can be 50 characters. So you can write like, you need to add some keywords in here. So I'm going to add the best keto diet anyone can follow to lose weight. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some hashtags. So we'll do hashtag keto, hashtag weight loss, hashtag diet. Now we need to add a destination link. So if you go back to Digistore24, you can grab your link, and you can see it's copied to the clipboard again. Now you can go back to Pinterest, you can paste in that destination link, and now you can go ahead, and it might ask you to create a board. So you can create a board here and just call it keto diet. Then create. Now click save, and that should then post off our pin. And there you go, you can see that's saved to the keto diet. We can now see it now. And here is our graphic with the best keto diet to lose weight. And when we click on it, when we click on this, it's going to go to the landing page of Digistore24. And now if someone buys this, you're going to earn on average $23. So that's how you can promote Digistore24 products on Pinterest. If that helped, make sure you do leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.